Salve! Hi, I'm Chinmay Jiga and I study in class 6. I study in VC Shastanagar School, Ludhiana, Punjab. And today I'm going to tell you about Latin words. Oh, I forgot to tell you that salve means hi or hello. So let us start with Latin. Many say Latin is a dead language, but many English words have their roots in Latin. Many scholars say that you can improve your vocabulary by learning Latin. So let us learn few words of Latin. First word is abduco. Abduco means to take away. In English we use the roots and say abduction also. So here we go to the next slide. Calamitas. Calamitas means calamity. The word shows in English language. You can see calamitas and we have in English it is calamity. Campana is bell. Electus. Electus means chosen. So from these bells I have chosen this one. Flama means flame of fire. You can see the hot flames. Gusto, to taste. Wow, so delicious food. My mouth is watering. Ignorance means ignorant. You can see the funny picture of ignorance. Luxuria. Luxuria means luxury, and you can see the luxury picture here. It is a great luxury. Materia equals to material. So in Latin it is materia and in English it is material, in which the English has a L on it and Latin doesn't have an L. So nation is natio. So you can also see natio and nation. In English we have only put an N. In Latin it is natio. If we cut the N, it will be also natio. So umbra now. Umbra means shadow. And you must know science, and I love science. This is the light source. Object, the darker shadow equals to umbra. And the umbra means the dark shadow. Natura means nature. Gratias tibi means thank you. So that's all from my side. Chinmay Jaga signing off. Bye and gratias tibi.